Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find all shortcut in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, then keyboard press Alt F8. Now keyboard press Alt F8 and type for the more Marco name and type for the list command and click for the run option and click for the current keyboard setting and click for the OK. That's okay. Then we show the all shortcut in Microsoft Word. This show all shortcut key in Microsoft Word. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.